In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the LinkedIn Helped Me Get This Job badge. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This badge is a great way to showcase your professional achievements and highlight the role LinkedIn has played in your job search, signaling to potential employers that you successfully leverage the platform. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once the page loads, enter your credentials and hit that sign in button. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile page. You can do this easily by clicking on your profile picture or on the Me icon that's typically located in the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Once on your profile, scroll down a little until you reach the Experience section. This section details your work history and professional experiences. You're now ready to add a new position. In the Experience section, look for the plus icon, usually located near the top or side of this area. Click on that icon and a new form will appear where you can input your job details. In this form, you'll need to fill in a few important pieces of information. Start with your job title, which is essentially your position at the company. Be clear and concise so that it accurately reflects your role. Next, enter the company name. Make sure to type this correctly to avoid any confusion. Lastly, indicate the employment dates, which typically involves selecting the month and year you started and, if applicable, the month and year your employment ended. Now here's the important part to get that badge. Look for the checkbox that asks if LinkedIn helped you get this job. It should be located on the same page where you filled in your job details. Ensure that this box is checked. This step is crucial because it directly ties the badge to your profile. Once you've filled everything in and double-checked for accuracy, click the Save button to finalize your update. This will update your profile and officially assign you the LinkedIn Helped Me Get This Job badge. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you take your time during each step. This badge not only strengthens your profile, but also reflects a proactive approach to utilizing LinkedIn effectively in your job search. Taking advantage of features such as this badge can set you apart from other candidates, showcasing not just what you've done, but how you've harnessed the power of networking and resources available to you. And there you have it. You've successfully earned the LinkedIn Helped Me Get This Job badge, highlighting your journey and the role LinkedIn played in it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content like this.